This is the kind of car that drives your head crazy when you're laying awake all night trying to figure out how to get all these parts back in here to make it fit right and then ultimately look good when we're done. And so Mark has been here for a long time. This is his specialty, doing fabrication, and he runs around here and his brain's kind of turning all the time. He's got pencil under his ear, and when it's all done, it all fits well, and we're all happy to have him here. So here's where we are now. This has been kind of a hard problem, getting this door jamb piece right here back in the right place, because everything behind it, including this toe board, was rotted out. And you don't have anything that you can measure from. You just kind of have to work with it till it all fit. And he's got it in on the other side. He's got this in now on this side. We're going to put the door hinges in, hang the doors, make sure they fit right in this hole, put the front fenders back on to make sure there's a gap right there, and then we can go forward or move to the rear quarters and continue driving ourselves nuts trying to get this 55 Chevrolet back together where it looks like it's going to fit. Thank God for Mark.